Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we will demonstrate how to book a room in several ways using the GoBright portal. From our main dashboard area of GoBright, we're going to use the floor plan to start with. At the moment the floor plan shows me the Rotterdam office and in the live view, but we're going to book a date for the future, so I'm using the down arrow by live view and I can just change the date that I want to search for my room. I can change the start time and change the duration, and I can search. That gives me the view of availability at that point in time, so I can see the one room is already busy as it's red, so I'm just going to select another room and I can book, and I can give it a subject and click save. And that booking will appear in my bookings area on the left hand margin. So for that particular date, it's the bookings that are made. The other way in which I can make a room booking is if I use the search function at the top left hand corner of the screen. I can search for a room and I can be changing the date I want that room booking. Again, I could be changing my start time and my duration of the booking. And if the system administrator has configured the rooms to have different types and to have different amenities, you can be refining your search using those criteria. I'm just going to come down now for my ground floor, and that gives me the available rooms at that point in time. So I'm going to select one of those rooms, and again I can give it a subject. And we can click save. As before, that will then appear in my bookings area of the software for that particular date. I've got my bookings area. The other way I can make a booking is if I go into my bookings and we go down, we go to rooms, and there's a little drop down arrow and we can book a room. This will just take me back to my dashboard, and then you're booking the room in the same way as we've previously described. But that's how, using the GoBright portal, you can book a room. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.